You know, when we think about our health, especially heart health, we often get bombarded with a million different tips and tricks. But today, I want to break it down to 3 simple vegetables that can really help clean your arteries and prevent heart attacks. These aren't just any vegetables, they're powerhouses packed with nutrients that can make a significant difference in how our bodies function. So let's dive in. First up, we have spinach. Yes, that leafy green that you either love or dread. But hear me out. Spinach is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's rich in vitamin K, which is essential for heart health. You might be wondering how this relates to your arteries. Well, vitamin K helps prevent the buildup of calcium in your arteries, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Plus, spinach is high in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. So, whether you toss it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it with some garlic, incorporating spinach into your diet is a no-brainer. It's versatile, it's delicious, and it's doing wonders for your heart. Next on the list is broccoli. Now, I know some people have a love-hate relationship with broccoli, but it's time to embrace it. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, and it's packed with fiber and antioxidants. The fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, which is crucial for keeping those arteries clear. But here's the kicker. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress in the body. Inflammation is a silent killer when it comes to heart disease, so we definitely want to keep that in check. You can steam it, roast it, or toss it into a stir-fry. The possibilities are endless. Plus, it adds a nice crunch and flavor to any dish. So, don't shy away from broccoli. Make it a staple in your meals. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about tomatoes. Yes, those vibrant red beauties that are not only delicious, but also incredibly heart-healthy. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps lower LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol that can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. What's amazing is that cooking tomatoes actually increases the bioavailability of lycopene, so don't hesitate to whip up a nice marinara sauce or a warm tomato soup. And if you're a fan of fresh salads, toss in some cherry tomatoes for that burst of flavor and nutrition. They're not just tasty, they're doing your heart a favor. So, there you have it. 3 fantastic vegetables that can help clean your arteries and keep your heart healthy: spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. It's all about making small, consistent changes to your diet. You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Just start by incorporating these veggies into your meals. Think about it: a spinach salad with cherry tomatoes, a side of steamed broccoli, or even a hearty vegetable soup. It's not only good for you, it's delicious too. Remember, our hearts are the engines that keep us going, and what we feed them matters. So, let's show our hearts some love by making these simple changes. As you start to add these vegetables to your plate, you're not just eating, you're investing in your health, and that's something we can all get behind. So go ahead, grab those veggies, and let's make our hearts happy together.